up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing, I think, the third video in this Nicole's quick clean series that I'm doing here. So today we're going to do my living room. As you can tell, it's a mess. So basically these quick cleans are just if like someone calls you up and it's like, hey, I'm going to be at your house in like 10-15 minutes. These are just some quick little tips for getting a couple rooms in your house clean, the rooms that people are going to see. So of course the living room is pretty important because if people are coming over to hang out, they're going to be hanging out in your living room most often. So yeah, we're going to get right into it. My living room just needs to be cleaned anyways, but I need to do it quickly because Colton's going to be waking up from his nap soon, so this is the perfect time. So let's just get right into it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights.
Alright, there you have it guys. That is my quick clean of my living room. Just trying to tidy everything up so in case someone shows up, it's clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're liking this series that I've been doing. Let me know down below what room you want to see me quick clean next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications every time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!